Ebi byaragirwa Minisita wa Gavumenti z'ebyanga Honorable Minister Balaam Barugahara obu yaba navugana n'abanyambara hamwe n'abebembezi ba Gavumenti z'ebyanga akasheshekera izooba ahari Mbarara City Council Offices. Nikigambwa ngu aba batwire nibakozesa kubi sente z'omuhi w'omushoro zete property tax nk'oku Minisita ari kushobora.
Deputy Town Clerk. Is Deputy Town Clerk here? You're the one. You are a Jew. And the former engineer Mugisha, and the trade person, the person in charge of trade, Kareche Alan, and natural resources officer Niwagaba, all those ones, and the cover. This is cover Green Merebo, CD community development officer, and the Mugisha, former engineer Mugisha Longino, and the Kama Dunanti. With immediate effect.
Minisita Barugahara nuko kwongera kushoma amazina gabo abakozi ba Gavumenti z'ebyanga abashoma nkwire sente z'emirimo ya Gavumenti.
Here in Mbarara City. Then unaccounted advances of 31 million given to Mushabe Henry. That one is a probation officer. Tumwine Jackie Ben, city engineer, the current city engineer. Mugume Hilale, former engineer, and Dr. Kariche Longino, city health officer, among others, received 31 million unaccounted for, but of which, when State House and Corruption came here, I'm the one who requested them to come here. When they came, they recovered from them 25.2 million.
Minisita yagira ngo bakuru b'amashomero ga Gavumenti getaga UPE ninga bona bashome abo kubinga abana abo bishare bishomero bakwatwe.
Kuriya bya Gavumenti amasomero ga Gavumenti gabusa. President akombeke byombeko natekamu nabasomesa. Hairo abana banyu bagwendaga kuriya kurungi. So ubundi ba parents mukontributinga sente z'ebyokulya. Bacharo headmaster aina kubinga omwana asomero. Nti omwana atasubire sente z'ebyokulya bamubinge alina okusoma. Omunako akusora kusoma ataliire nagaruka mukana ali ekitakuli oba nali ebitooke oba akuluka mukana ekitooke ekyokezebwe nejja nasoma nagaruka omuka. So education in government schools is free.
Abantu nabo baheebwa akagisha k'okushobora abizibu ebibatungire bakuronda oburinganiza na Gavumenti na munonga enshonga z'amataka.
Bwaberegabire
politicians and taken.
Who's the person? Mention the person.
Tandikira bwana honorable tandikira hari aharmeya road mayor mpaka hari kansara owaste.
On road mayor onaran Kachebezi.
Oguri aho Kachebezi.
I know ploti.
I know room.
I know plot or I know room.
I know room.
Room no ya Jombeke.
Yes.
Road Mayor Mbarara City Robert Mugabe Kachebezi nashobora ngo Mbarara City tekafunaga sente z'okukozesa kwiheba City kandi no kurebera kasasiro kikirye kizibu omurembo.
Chine problemu ya okumanaginga kasasiro nambwenu ebi byona bikiryaho nabyo no turabe tuji home city konka kujimanaginga at the source at the disposal chine horemezaho twinobremeze kenkondo.
Kachebezi yashobora nko kuba kine kizibu cy'entindo mu rembo ezitakakozirwe ekyagemesereza Minisita kurambura orutindo rwa Katete.
Minisita ahatwiraho ekintu cy'orutindo rwa Katete, orutindo rwa Kanyete, orutindo rwa Taso. Katete uri omwena ekabe akachebezi. I remember one time you came and visited Katete. That was before they gave us 500 million.
Minisita Balaam Robert Mugabe Kachebezi ba RCC abebembezi b'ebyaro abebyo kwerinda nuko kurambura emyanya yibatiramu ebituri herimu akatare ka Central Market orutindo rwa Katete kenkombe kushijuma embira y'ibirimu aha wa Tayari Western Susan alina mukisa umurimbara.